Hey everyone, Sean Taggy here at Memphis Investment Properties, here to give you a monthly update on how Memphis real estate market is going as of May 2020. So Shelby County home sales have fallen by 21% year over year, year to date comparison. So at this time last year in 2019, we had around 1,600 sales in total of single family residences. And this time this year, we are at 1,300 sales. So due to that decrease of supply, as you can see, I think it has increased the demand, and we've seen an appreciation of 5% year over year of year-to-date appreciation. So in 2019, we are at 185,000 for the average home sale price. This year in 2020, we are at 194,000. So I think that's due to COVID, a lot of people not being able to get out, not a lot of people not listing their homes quite as much, or kind of just waiting it out. But the people that are wanting to buy a home are needing something. There's not a lot of stuff out there, so they're willing to pay a little bit more due to that high competition of buying a house. At least me, for my overall feel, we have a few retail properties for sale in the $200,000 to $400,000 range, and one of them just got on market that we totally fixed up, and it sold within 3 days of being on the market. Another one got 3 offers within 1 day of being in the market. So for the retail, the higher end homes in this market, they're selling quickly. And same with our turnkey houses. We're seeing them sell about at the same pace as always, pretty quickly, definitely within the first 30 days of us owning them and starting the renovation. So we will keep watching that and keep you updated. Okay, so Memphis's expanding inventory. We are growing at the actual fastest rate of percent growth. So this is for industrial space. So big major employers like Amazon and other shipping and logistic companies are choosing to come into Memphis and to expand their current facilities or come into here for the first time. We are growing at about a 4% rate, which is the fastest in the nation. Greater than our state rival, Nashville. So we're real proud to say that. We always are against Nashville, Memphis and Nashville in terms of growth. And also, I think that's just due to us being strategically located in such an ideal location. You can ship a package the fastest to the average of the population here in Memphis, because we're located in the center of the United States, population-wise and geographically. And then also we have great tax incentives and rates for companies coming in here. We're a very business-friendly state and the surrounding neighborhoods here in Memphis and cities. And then also we also have a pretty cheap and affordable but good labor market. We're one of the lowest cost of living cities, major metropolitan cities as well. So a lot of companies are choosing here for those main reasons of coming here. So that's awesome. Giving you an update on us with our in-house property management company, Reading Company. Our collections rate is only lagging behind around 1 to 2% of pre-COVID averages. We're around 96% gross collected rents of what's due. So only a few tenants are really struggling behind due to job loss or anything like that due to COVID, which is very good for us and what we thought 90 days ago, 60 days ago on where we would be. That is awesome news for us. Also, Memphis is opening back up. Movie theaters will be open within a month. Lots of major restaurants are open at limited capacity. Shopping malls and shopping centers are open back up as well. Our office is also fully opened as well, of course, with different COVID precautionary procedures, but that's good to see. Also, the eviction courthouses have opened at increased capacity. So they're able to go through the backlog of cases through the past couple months of court cases that have been held up due to COVID. And we are first in line. We know that process very well, and really expediting that process so that we can get the non-paying tenants out due to the unfortunate events that happened with them, and to help our owners out and get a new tenant in there as quickly as possible. On the side of putting tenants into properties, all of our turnkey houses that we have been selling the past couple of months have been rented before we sold it, meaning either a tenant is inside there at sale, or it's pre-leased already with a deposit paid from the tenant, and the tenant will be moving in shortly in the next couple of weeks after purchase. our leasing team only has about a half month's worth of available properties to lease right now for rent. We're at about 53 houses. That is our lowest on record. I think that's due to people needing a place to rent. They're not moving in or buying a house, and they want a place to stay at, and there's just a low supply. A lot of our tenants also are renewing leases, so that means we're not getting a lot of available properties back online, and they're just staying in the house. So it's kind of a double-edged sword there. I think the same thing on the retail sales of new homes being bought. There's just a low supply, and so a high demand of people wanting to rent and wanting to rent a good quality, nice house that we provide. So we are slightly increasing rents as market conditions allow, and getting tenants in quickly. So really good news for us. This is our market update for May. Reach out to us at memphisinvestmentproperties.net. You can view all of our available inventories and learn more about how to invest in Memphis, Tennessee. Thank you very much. Have a good day.